Before buying a forehead thermometer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Most of these devices look identical, promise the same features, and claim to be accurate. But what actually matters is how they perform when your kid won't sit still, or when you're checking temperatures in the middle of the night. Product number 1, ViProud Fast Forehead Thermometer. Let's start with the ViProud. This one caught my eye because it's affordable at $16.99, has over 10,000 recent sales, and promises fast, accurate readings without touching the skin. If you want a budget-friendly, no-contact thermometer that works for babies, kids, and adults, this is worth a serious look. The non-contact design means you can check your baby's temperature while they're sleeping without waking them. It gives results in under a second, has a large LED display for easy night reading, and includes color-coded fever alerts: green for normal, yellow for mild fever, red for high fever. You also get 35 memory slots to track past readings, which is helpful if you're monitoring a fever over time. Plus, it doubles as an object thermometer for checking bath water or room temperature. Now, some people complained that it occasionally gives inconsistent readings if you're not holding it at the right distance. Here's the thing though, this is common with most infrared thermometers. Just make sure you're within 2 to 3 inches of the forehead and keep it steady. For under $20, this is a solid pick if you want simplicity and hygiene without breaking the bank. Product number 2, Frida Baby 3-in-1 Thermometer. Now, if the ViProud's occasional inconsistency bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Frida Baby 3-in-1 is more versatile, letting you take forehead, ear, or touchless readings, all in one device. Priced at $31.99, it's still reasonable, especially since it's FSA HSA eligible. If you want flexibility and don't mind a slightly higher price for multiple reading modes, this one stands out. It's perfect for parents who want options. Use the ear mode for older kids or the forehead mode for a sleeping baby. The touchless feature lets you scan a bottle or room temp without contact. It stores up to 40 readings, so you can track trends over days, and has color-coded fever alerts with optional sound. The 1-second results are fast enough for squirmy toddlers. That said, a few users mentioned the ear mode can be tricky for first-timers. Getting the right angle in a small ear canal takes practice. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's just as accurate as more expensive models. This is ideal for parents who want one device that adapts as their child grows. Product number 3, Braun ThermoScan 7 Ear Thermometer. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for accuracy. The Braun ThermoScan 7 is a bit different. It's an ear thermometer, not forehead, but it's included here because it's one of the most trusted tools by pediatricians. At $49.90, it's the priciest on this list, but it's clinically proven to be as accurate as a rectal thermometer for babies. If you want medical-grade precision and don't mind the ear-only design, this is worth the investment. It uses age precision technology with color-coded fever guidance. Blue for 3 months to 3 years, green for older kids and adults, so you always know what's normal. The pre-warmed tip reduces discomfort, and the exact temp system gives a light and beep when positioned correctly. It also comes with disposable lens filters for hygiene. Some reviewers said it's not ideal for newborns under 3 months, since ear canals are too small. Here's the thing though, for babies over 3 months, this is gold standard. If you want reliability and don't need forehead scanning, this is the one. Product number 4, Good Baby Digital Forehead Thermometer. Now, if you want a reliable forehead thermometer with strong tech specs at a mid-range price, the Good Baby is a great middle ground at $24.99. With over 8,000 recent sales and FDA approval, it offers non-contact readings, a large LCD screen, and fever alarms with color indicators. If you want a balance of accuracy, features, and value, this one delivers. It uses ultra-sensitive sensors and a smart chip for fast, reliable readings in 1 second. The large display is easy to read in the dark, and it stores 35 temperature readings, perfect for tracking fevers. It also switches between Fahrenheit and Celsius with one button. one complaint from buyers is that the manual isn't very detailed, which can confuse first-time users. Here's the thing though, the Quick Start Guide covers the basics, and once you press the button a few times, it's intuitive. This is a great choice if you want something more advanced than budget models, but don't need ear functionality.
Product number 5, Good Baby No Touch Thermometer. Finally, if you liked the Good Baby but want a sleeker design, this black version offers nearly identical features for the same $24.99 price. It's also FDA and FSA/HSA approved, with non-contact infrared tech, 1-second readings, and dual mode for forehead and object temperatures. If you want a stylish, clinical-feeling thermometer that's still family-friendly, this one fits the bill. It's ergonomically designed for small hands, so even toddlers can hold it, though you'll still do the scanning. The large screen shows clear numbers day or night, and it includes fever alerts with soft beeps. A few users reported that the battery compartment feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you don't drop it, it holds up fine. This is perfect for parents who want a reliable, no-touch thermometer with a modern look and solid performance.
So, which one should you pick?
The Viproud is great for tight budgets. The Frida Baby wins for versatility, the Braun is best for medical accuracy, and both Good Baby models offer solid features at a fair price. Think about your needs, speed, accuracy, or multi-use, and choose accordingly. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.